Live previews are changing the way stores are selling online. With tools like augmented reality, customers can now preview products like wall art in their own spaces. If you're looking to add something like this to your Shopify store, keep watching the video. To get started, first download the Picture It app on the Shopify App Store. Once it's installed, select the plan that best fits your business. Don't worry, all of these come with a 14-day free trial for you to get started. Next, you'll be taken to some steps to get you onboarded. First, select what kind of products you sell, whether it's originals, prints, or maybe you sell a little bit of everything. The next thing you do is select the measurements that you use in your store, how they're formatted, and continue from there. From here, you select what kind of images your products have set up, whether you have no backgrounds behind your images or you maybe have them in a mock-up of some kind. If you have them in backgrounds, we can actually remove them with the app. Now we can go ahead and activate your first product. As you can see, we got all your products listed down here. You can select the first one. And now you'll be prompted to select how you want to activate the variants on that product. This first option with auto framing will take the main parent image and allow you to customize the frames for each variant around it. You can also choose to select if you want to remove the background behind that parent image. For the second option, it's very similar, but all you do is just use the parent image for all your variants. You're also prompted to remove or not remove the backgrounds here. Otherwise, you can just activate all your variants, but we only recommend this if your variant images do not have backgrounds. Otherwise, you'll be removing backgrounds individually for each one. The final option is just not to activate any of the variants and just use the main parent image. Let's go ahead and do auto framing here. Since this product does not have backgrounds, we won't remove the background. And voila, now you've activated your first product. The final thing we need to do is customize the button that lets your customers open the preview within your store. You have two options here. You can add it as an app block, which lets you customize it from the theme editor, or you can add it as an app embed, which you can customize from the Picture It app. Let's go ahead and add it as an app block. As you can see, we've added the button here. And you can customize it however you want within the theme editor. Let's move it up a little bit. There we go. All you gotta do is hit save, and now it's live. Now that we've got the basics down, you can go ahead and activate the rest of the products. Let's go to my products here. As you can see, we got the whole list. We can also filter what hasn't been activated and start activating them in bulk. Let's select one with variants, one without variants. In this step, we'll first activate a product without variants. It looks like the image doesn't have a background, so we can hit confirm. And a product with variants. Since this one does have backgrounds, we can hit remove background, and that will run in the background. Now that they're activated, we can click into the product. We can see that we can edit the image. You see, since we removed the background, it says processed. Now it doesn't have a background. We can see the dimensions of all the variants. And since we chose auto framing, we can also customize the frame. This will navigate you to the settings, which allows you to select what options you want for your framing, whether it's matting, glare, or the colors of the frames. Since these have been set, we should be good. Now to actually see what this looks like, you can hit preview on that product, which will take you there. Click live preview and scan the QR code that pops up. This is what it should look like. And one final thing, as you saw before, Picture It also lets you add a virtual showroom to your previews, which allows you to show your artwork within different rooms and also work with the auto framing, allowing you to add the frames within this preview. This can actually be added as an add-on when you click virtual showrooms. And within this, you can click into the collections and customize what images and rooms you want to display behind the product. And there you have it. Now you've got everything you need to start selling more art online. Once you start getting those customers in, you can track how many previews they're doing per day, whether or not they're buying your products with these previews, and also what products are getting previewed the most. If you want to see what exciting things we have coming up, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing where your business goes. Take care.